Knox is like, what the heck? Oh, he's disappearing. He doesn't know what this is.
Where'd he go?
I think he went down. Oh, he's disappeared in the snow. Oh my gosh, I'd so like to be out there. Where did he go? Look at this fluffy stuff. It's covered. If he goes out there and starts bouncing, that'll be priceless. That'll be a YouTube video for sure. He doesn't know what to do.
You can't smell the rabbit.
Nope, you can't get the bunny. He's trying. Oh, he's disappeared.
Look, here he comes.
He wants to find the bunny.
I want him to run through the snow. Oh, every time he
gonna
gets a little
go.
closer.
Come on, Knox, go. What do you have to do? Throw a snowball or something? Is that what you did before? You threw something, didn't you? Throw a snowball?
I think I can throw something.
Okay, we'll try snowball. Grab some snow.
From the beginning, many Thai people said that it was not the duty of mothers to care.
No, look. This. What's this? Look. Look.
Go get it!
It was only the taking of the
Go get it. What's this? What's this? Go get it. What's this? Go get it. Get it. It's out there. Go get it. Go get it.
What am I gonna get?
What's this? Ready? Go get it.
Aw. He's looking. He does. I don't see anything out there, Mommy.
Okay, that's cold. Come on.
I'm not done.
Sometimes